Welcome everyone, this is Naaman from Butler Video at Butler Branding, and today we're talking about how to make your videos better by planning your shots. Now, planning your shots is probably one of the most crucial parts of creating a video, whether it's a home cell phone video or all the way up to a huge, $1 million movie production. It's one of those things where it just has to be there. I'm hoping that it'll help you guys in your businesses or your agency. If you have a client or you have your own product or service that you want to promote, that you use these different types of strategies to communicate your message. Now, everything I'm going to share with you is for the sole purpose and goal of communicating a certain message. So I'm going to share with you shot type, composition, angle, and movement. Now, some of these might sound pretty closely related, but they are different. I think these are also something that becomes second nature in a sense, to where, at least for example for me, when I start to think of a video or have a project presented to me, I think to myself, okay, I'm already start to see it in my head. This is where I'm going to put the camera here, and this is where I want to put the person or the thing, and it's gonna look like this, and I want to have this kind of lighting, and it's gonna have this kind of mood. All these things run through my head almost instantly when I'm planning a project. But it did take years of studying, of practicing, and research to get that muscle memory going. There's this quote I really like. It says, "How you see the world depends on where you stand." I really like that because it sounds very deep, like, whoa, where am I in the world? Like, what is my place? What is my purpose? But in reality, it's very practical. Like, where you stand physically with your camera is how the viewer will literally see the world that you're presenting to them. Shot list is simply a list of combinations you plan to get that will communicate to the viewer without words. So let's dive right in. I got my marker here, my whiteboard, and I'm going to draw a few things out for you. So shot type. So I put together a question you can ask yourself that will really help you differentiate what the difference is. When you're thinking of shot type, think, what is the attention on? So there is a few different types of shot type. So I'm just going to write it here. You have EWS. That stands for extreme wide shot. You have WS, which is wide shot. MS, which is medium shot. CU, which is close up. And then you have ECU, extreme close up. You have OTS, over the shoulder. Now, I don't actually use these terms when I'm thinking about them. I just think to myself, okay, extreme wide. The difference is if you have a person, going stick figures here, and this is the grass, and you have a tree here. You have some more grass over here. What an EWS, an extreme wide shot, you would try and get the entire park. A wide shot, you would try and get from the feet to the top of the head. From the feet to the top of the head. A medium shot is from the waist to the top of the head. So the person's waist to the top of the head. And then a close-up, it just starts getting more and more. But these are the general rules. The close-up is from the chest to the top of the head. Boom, 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 boom. An extreme close-up would be just the eyes. And their nose. The frame would be just the eyes, right? And then over the shoulder is exactly what it sounds like. So you're looking at somebody here, and somebody's shoulder is right here. Boom. What's going on? This person's head. This is their shoulder. They got big shoulders. And now these are used a lot to communicate. And like if someone's having a conversation, usually you'll have it over their shoulder. Because usually it does feel awkward. Like if you have two people talking and you're looking directly, like the camera's facing directly at them and they're staring directly into the camera, it might give you a different feel. It's like they're talking directly to you. So usually what movies and commercials and all that would do in video is have it over the shoulder. So you're watching the communication happen, but you're not in the conversation. So this here is shot type.